Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet daisy flower. For this project I am using 8-ply crochet yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, needle, tapestry needle and scissor. So let's get started. For the first round we make a magic ring, and in magic ring we make chain 3 count as a double crochet, and now we make 8 double crochet into the magic ring. So I completed my 8 double crochet, and including chain 3 you got total 9 double crochet. So now insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3, slip knot, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our first round is completed. Now we make flower petal. For that first we make a slip knot, insert the hook in any of the stitch, and now we make chain 7. Okay, now from the second chain we make 1 single crochet, next chain we make 1 half double crochet, next 2 chain we make 1 double crochet, next chain we make 1 half double crochet, and last chain we make 1 single crochet. And now we make slip knot into the next stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch and make a slip knot. So here is our first petal is completed. Now we make our second one. We repeat this pattern. We make chain 7, one single crochet into the second chain, 1 half double crochet into the next one, 1 double crochet into the next 2 chain, one half double crochet into the next one, and in last chain we make 1 single crochet. And in next stitch we make 1 slipped stitch. Okay, now so we repeat this pattern all around. I will show you one more time. Chain 7, one single crochet into the second chain, 1 half double crochet into the next one, 1 double crochet into the next 2 chain, one half double crochet into the next one, and 1 single crochet into the last chain. And complete this pattern, we make 1 slip knot into the next stitch. So we repeat this pattern all around. So I reach to the last petal. This is my last single crochet, and now we insert the hook into the starting of the chain, make a slip knot, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our daisy flower is completed. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching.